ice cream. Nothing else.
Ice cream is filled. On a particular topic. I would like to have that still as well.
Okay, guys, so welcome to the Ace Attorney panel. If you, yeah, sure. How many people have been here before?
I wouldn't.
Yeah, welcome back, everybody. How many people haven't been here before? Welcome, new people. Yay! Hello, people walking in. Welcome. Thank you.
Hi.
So, if you've been here before, there's probably something you're immediately noticing, which is that my partner in crime, Miles Edgeworth, which is totally my partner in crime usually, is missing. But don't worry, we maybe found him. It's debatable, we're working on it.
Are you identifying a body?
No bodies yet.
So, kids, we're not going to see a dead body.
Oh, sorry kids, no dead bodies this round. Come back next year.
No autopsy report.
All right. So yeah, Miles Edgeworth is on the way. There was an accident yesterday. I don't know the details. Somebody in a suit was involved. I don't know. Do you know anything about it?
No idea.
Okay. But Miles Edgeworth's fine, just a sprained ankle, on their way. We just have to be patient, and I was told to kill time. So.
If only there was someone who in the court of law killing time.
Are we gonna bluff our way out of it?
So like.
Is it on the record?
Just so everyone knows, like.
I updated the autopsy report, by the
Oh
way.
God. Just so everyone knows, though, like let's just start. So the phrase "killing time" implies murder. We're not murdering anything. We're just passing time. So
There's no murder involved.
usually we do like a Q&A type thing at the end if we have spare time. If you guys want to ask questions now, that seems like a super thing to fill in the void that Miles Edgeworth has left in my heart.
This isn't the first time it's left.
He's like my second dad. The first one's Phoenix.
Yeah.
I don't know where hey, Dad. What? Okay. I mean, you can have it. Drama. Always drama in our office. But yeah, does anybody have questions? Raise hands if you, I don't know. You can ask anything. I don't care. What's up?
What do you use to get your hair like that?
My hair, a lot of patience. Just a lot of patience and time and telling no one to come near me at all. Like I just tell everybody, hey, I'm about to go in the bathroom. You will not see me for about 2 hours. And then I come out and I look great. So it's a secret though. It's whatever's left in Phoenix's hair gel. I saw your hand go up.
Are tracks gay?
What? What? Like
Are tracks gay?
like a bear trap?
Yeah.
Sure. Sure. Yes.
What's the key secret to your cords of steel?
To my cords. A lot of patience. The key to the cords of steel is to continue to increase the volume that you're speaking and pretend that that makes you sound better. And also to scream a lot. Like a lot of practice with screaming. Like you gotta just, when I was back in Gavin Law and Order, that's a show. Back when I was on TV. No, back when I was working for Mr. Gavin, I would just scream every morning. I would come into the office early. I would make coffee for everybody, which was 2 people, so it wasn't a lot. And then I would pull out a book and just scream lines from it. It was really great for Pride and Prejudice. I don't think I could get through it any other way. Saw your hand next.
Who's coming today?
Who today? I don't know. My spirit. My will to live. I don't know. Like, I don't keep track of everyone who's dead, but not Miles Edgeworth. There's the good answer.
Yeah.
I don't know. Do you know anyone who's dead?
No.
Okay, good. Right behind me. With Athena, she's great. What about her? Like, she thinks orange juice is the bomb, and I disagree because apple juice is superior. No, but she's cool. I'm glad to see more people in the office because it means that I don't get the brunt of it all. Phoenix. Okay. Welcome! I will carry you up.
No, you can't. I do not, I don't
Have
want
you
another
seen these
injury.
guns?
Bodyguard style.
Thanks. I can now object.
Hold on.
I have two. Let me get you another chair, please.
I got my own chair. The injured got their own chair.
Miles Edgeworth, everybody.
Okay, so yes, I did win the lawsuit for this injury. Don't worry about it.
How much did you get?
Let's just say I own the Marriott now.
I filled time very well. Please.
Across the
don't fire
street.
me.
Great, no, you filled the 3 minutes of this panel beginning very well, yes.
We answered questions. We answered questions.
Okay, hey everybody, how you doing? So this is Ace Attorney. This is mostly we do mock trials. We also do a quiz portion. I'm gonna leave it all up to you guys. Do you guys want to still do the trivia rounds?
Or do you want to
Yes.
straight into mock? Let's do a hand raise. So if you want to do trivia and then mock trials, raise your hand.
If you just want to do nothing but mock trials, raise your hand. Okay, we're doing nothing but mock trials.
Mock trials! So let me reset up the chairs, guys. You should have told me when you were coming in.
You're doing great. I know.
You know, yeah, I would help, but you know, doctor's orders.
Sorry, I just told you. Just kind of like it, you know, shape.
Did you already ask who's been here before?
Yes.
I'm gonna ask again, who's been here before? Because I didn't get to see. Great. Okay, yeah, a lot of you look familiar, so this is amazing.
Yeah.
This was our Francisca from previous years. It's also Dahlia, so this year. So that you can understand why she's not as scary, even though she's a scary character. She's not as scary as Francisca. You look like you have a kind heart.
Delightful.
I've only killed delightful
like
young
7
lady.
people.
Right.
Don't drink anything she gives you. Yeah, no.
Yeah.
No one here has a cold, right?
Don't worry about that. That's a friend.
What friend?
We met at the ice cream shop.
Don't let strangers buy you sweets.
Oh, but he's so nice. Okay, mock trials. So, we have defense, we have prosecution, defense is better. Anyways, we have a witness and we have a defendant. Those are the roles. There's 4 that I counted twice.
There's actually 2 witnesses. So what we're going to do. So this is how we typically do it for those who weren't here last year. We pick someone to be a prosecutor. We pick someone to be the attorney, the defendant attorney, and we will pick a defendant and then 2 witnesses, one for the prosecution, one in favor of the defense, and we pick it all from all of y'all.
And then you will get roles assigned to you
By the audience.
by the audience. So don't, like, get ready.
So even in like, hey, I'm dressed as this character, so I mean this character. No, it's whatever the audience decides, and they'll decide your crime, and they'll also decide your fate.
So that's how we're gonna do it. So now we're gonna start it up. Who wants to be defense? Miles, you get to pick. I don't
No,
pick.
it's defense. I don't pick defense.
Okay, I get to pick the defense. Okay, we'll do green hair. Good kid. Yeah, come on.
You are the
He's the best
Is
kid.
this your defense attorney?
Yeah, this is my defense attorney. He looks like a good kid.
All right.
On stay.
Because I can't walk into the. Oh my gosh. That's amazing. That's from like the best game ever in the series. The best.
I like the one
The
with
best game in the series. Okay, so who wants to be the prosecutor? Come on, Mark. How about you over there?
Who wants to be the defendant?
The guilty at charge.
Guilty as crime. Whoa.
He's a sweet
He's a
boy.
sweet kid.
He's a sweet kid.
Isn't that?
Soul.
Oh,
Yes. Closer.
right, but we're choosing.
Yeah,
We'll do
go ahead.
that. Yeah, why not?
Dat boy.
That boy.
No, we're not doing that
Not
boy.
doing that boy again.
Think of new memes this year, people. This is also like AKA the meme panel, isn't it? Whenever we do the mock trials.
Is that what we're called? Somebody asked me about traps earlier. Was that it?
We actually need one more chair.
Yes.
No.
It's a shitty meme.
Shooting stars is the best thing.
We are number one.
Didn't you want to be a witness?
I give up.
Straight to the electric chair.
I have no idea how this works.
I don't even know the crime is accused of.
All right, who wants to be the witness for the defense? Okay, you know what? That was a bad idea because Paul has to do it and make him move stuff for me.
I didn't move nothing. They just moved themselves. I don't know. I got powers. Who wants to be my friend? We're gonna do you in the hat. I trust a lot of good kids.
So you're gonna be saying stuff for why
Why the defendant
didn't commit the
isn't
crime.
guilty.
Yeah.
So you'll just stand. You're the defendant. So you'll just stand.
Okay. That's the attorney.
Yes.
So get the accused in the chair. We're gonna put him in the chair. That's his punishment. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
There you go.
I do whatever he
Start.
says.
Who wants to be witness for the prosecution? There's a frog over there. Get the frog.
Rocket.
Final prize. Get it right.
I like the brown.
Does that mean he's a king?
Just a frog.
That's a king frog.
I'm
king of the frog. So go ahead and sit over here. Let me get out of this chair. Great. So this is how we're gonna do it. We're gonna have the witness do their opening pleading about why they didn't do the crime. Then we'll have the prosecution do interrogation of the, oh wait, no, I messed that up. I'm sorry, it's been a long day. We're gonna, then we'll go, well, you'll just see how it plays out. So it'll happen. Have you guys been here last year? Who's been here last year?
I think they're all
I
new.
think
Okay.
none of us have done this.
All right, so none of you have done that to explain the rules.
This is gonna go.
So first, the accused is gonna plead their case why they didn't do the crime. Then we're gonna have the prosecution witness say why that person committed the crime and what they witnessed. And then the defense is gonna interrogate prosecution witness. And then we'll do the same for the defense witness. We'll plead their case, prosecution will cross-examine, blah, 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 blah.
And then you vote.
And then you vote.
This is a jury system.
Because we're in America.
We're testing out the new thing.
This isn't the future yet.
Never.
All right. So our guilty witness, I mean not guilty witness, our guilty.
They're not guilty yet, Mr. Prosecutor.
Can I submit that as evidence?
Yes. So our defendant, who are they? But I need suggestions of who our defendant
Just
is.
shout it out.
Cowboy.
Crash Bandicoot.
Oh my gosh.
Crash Bandicoot. What is Crash Bandicoot guilty of, guys? Stealing what? No.
Killing time.
Oh wait. I have a good one. Oh, wait, I'm taking your idea and making it better. He stole the Chaos Emeralds from Sonic.
That's a lot of power.
Where are those Chaos Emeralds now? We don't know. All right. So, for our prosecution witness, who's the prosecution witness? What character are they? Nicolas Cage. Nicolas Cage has changed in the years, so let me move so you guys can see Nicolas Cage.
He's doing a new method acting technique.
All right. So, our defense witness, who are they?
John Wick.
Hey man, SpongeBob.
John Wick.
John Cena.
You're not doing John Cena again.
You pick.
Me?
Sonic the Hedgehog.
Shadow the Hedgehog.
We did that
I love
already
guy.
too.
Buster Stallone.
I like Shadow the Hedgehog.
I hope you didn't die of a year.
Like Turner.
John Bell's
Okay, fine. John All right, enough. I chose Shadow the Hedgehog. I like that hedgehog. That is who you get to be. Congratulations.
Okay. All right. So, defense, Crash Bandicoot, come up to the mic and plead your case of why you did not. You don't have to take the chair up to the mic. It's not going to take that long for you to do so. I'll just stop you when I get bored.
Miles Edge with everybody.
No, I'm just kidding. All right, hello everybody. My name is Crash Bandicoot, and my job is being Crash Bandicoot. I did not steal these Chaos Emeralds because that is not my game universe. I am a Sony character, not Sega, and I can't get the rights to them, so I couldn't steal them in the first place.
All right. Go ahead and sit. Prosecution witness, come up. What did we say the prosecution witness?
Nicolas
Cage. Nicolas Cage. Tell us what you saw. Tell us why Crash Bandicoot is guilty of stealing the Chaos Emeralds.
Well, I was on location to film Wicker Man 2. We wanted to do a more Africanized bee approach. So we had to go to the jungle. It was very important. All of a sudden, hanging out in the jungle, I hear noise. Whoa. I looked over, fully expecting to see one of the stagehands being stung to death by the Africanized bees. I always do live stunts. When all of a sudden, I saw Mr. Bandicoot running down. Of course, falling in a few pits along the way. Crash Bandicoot is the next Dark Souls. When all of a sudden I saw him snap. And within an instant, that mask, Aku Aku, was shattered as Crash Bandicoot was enveloped in yellow light and ran all of the platforms. He used the Chaos Emeralds. I could see it in his eyes. I could see them spinning around him too, because that was important. He just cheated. Now I can't use the witness.
Yes, your testimony.
My testimony.
Yes, there you go. You thank you very good.
All
right. Defense, do you want to cross-examine?
Try me!
Come on to the mic.
I'm Nicolas Cage. You can't touch me.
He's trying. It's first day.
Really? Is that it?
No, don't worry about it. We're working on it. So
How are you sure
How am I sure?
You gotta finish the question.
that it was, Crash Bandicoot?
Because he was saying, whoa! And he also had a mask that was talking.
Stone him.
You just gotta think outside the box.
You sure let the witnesses make you cry though.
Hey, he's doing his best. Miles Edgeworth.
I was helping.
How was I helping?
Tell him not to cry.
Definitely very helpful.
Okay. So for the sound.
Okay, so how are you sure that the sound came from Crash Bandicoot directly? Directly.
Do you make that sound?
Objection. The prosecution would like to present evidence known as a current Crash Bandicoot meme.
Exhibit A.
As soon as it loads, hold on.
Anyone can make a meme.
You're here for the defense.
But the meme video is still clearly containing Crash Bandicoot. Just because it's a meme doesn't make the content not true.
Anyone?
Projection! There you go.
Anyone can play that video and make the person the thing seem like Crash Bandicoot.
Got it.
Then how do you explain the mask?
Fake mask.
Just like fake news, what?
Yes! It's all a conspiracy.
You can claim the mask is fake, but you're gonna have to prove it.
Dang it.
Boneless pizza meme.
Maybe that might be time to bring in your witness with the
Yeah,
defense.
say we have a witness.
I have a witness.
There you go.
It's Shadow the Hedgehog. Are you ready?
Testimony, I don't know, man.
My cameraman, how could you betray me like this?
Apparently working for you for years.
No badgering the
exhausted
witness.
him. I wasn't badgering. I was actually
Not you, the frog. Nicolas Cage the frog. You're good.
So me and my friend Crash, we were in the.
Sorry, take your time.
We were in a Bones Pizza, and all of a sudden, Crash said that he was working on a new cosplay prop. This prop looked kind of like a mask, but the fact is, I looked it up. It was bought online and made out of plastic. The mask was not real. It was simply a plastic prop bought off some terrible website from the far reaches of the internet.
eBay.
We looked on that website, and in fact, it was not real. There were still ads. There were ads about selling vans full of children. The website was not a real website. I rest.
You're a witness.
All right, prosecution. You want to investigate? You can come on up. If you'd like.
Prosecution will take cross-examination. How can you enter this mask in evidence?
I have no idea what a mask is.
He doesn't know what the mask is. Okay.
I mean, we couldn't present the evidence
Yeah, no,
ourselves.
no, I know.
Bemo's not a mask.
Yes,
That is my
this
friend.
is the evidence.
This is my friend, not a mask. Don't bring Bemo into this.
Oh yeah, there it is. There it is.
So he bought the mask off of eBay for his cosplay.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, there it is. It's right here. See, submitting the evidence. King.
Wait, did that follow evidence? I want to make sure we're following evidence.
There is no evidence law.
There are 2 rules of evidence law.
I am the
And neither of them do I.
being a lawyer is hard. Just ask.
Being a lawyer is hard.
Just like a typical Crash Bandicoot mask that looks nothing like the actual Crash Bandicoot mask. Yeah, it doesn't look like Crash Bandicoot, huh?
Yeah.
Huh?
That doesn't look like the Aku mask
Exactly.
from Crash Bandicoot. Can you explain?
Why would Crash Bandicoot cosplay as a character from his own game? Cosplaying is to escape from reality and be someone else for a day.
Wow.
This mask is clearly cardboard. And from, I don't know what it is.
Bandy and ink machine.
I have no idea what that is.
Perhaps he was cosplaying as the character Aku from the game that he's in.
But this mask is what we have in evidence. I mean, tell me does this look like
But does that
anything
mask,
from Crash Bandicoot?
but does
Yes
that
or no?
mask talk?
No.
My client's
Wait, does the mask talk?
No, it's made out of cheap cardboard.
my witness's testimony clearly stated that the mask was
The
talking.
detective that presented the evidence, can you confirm if it talks or not?
No, it doesn't talk.
Woohoo!
Yeah, don't even try me anymore.
What are we looking for? I don't think it really gumshoe.
Dang it, gumshoe.
There's one downstairs with a Maya.
Oh.
Why are they here?
Why are they here? What are they
doing? Yeah, this is where everyone goes.
Okay,
every day.
fine, whatever. It's not like we pay him much anyway.
He doesn't deserve it. It's treatment.
All right, prosecution, anything else you want to ask or not?
Prosecution rests.
All right. All right, guys. Did Crash Bandicoot steal the Chaos Emeralds? And also, is he obsessed with cosplay from his own game?
If you think Crash Bandicoot is guilty, raise your hand.
Ouch.
If you think Crash Bandicoot's not guilty, raise your hand!
All right, thanks, So for the winning side,
Wait, then the question is, who did steal the Chaos Emeralds?
all right. So for the winning side, you're gonna the defense, including the defense and like you three, you guys get buttons for winning the case. So. Hilarious.
So you three want to come over and pick, we have 10. They're very cute. They're from the Artist Alley. They're selling them as a set. It's really, they're cute. There's Trucy and Apollo, Francisca and Gumshoe, Lavier. Oh my God. Wacky.
They're called Cheesy Crocs, right? Is that what they're called?
Yes, the booth is Cheesy Crocs. They're near the front of the Artist Alley, like on one of the first aisles.
Here, let me get you.
They're super nice.
Send them over to you guys.
Go.
These are adorable, actually.
Can I take a look at the print?
Do you want of the print?
Yeah, the big one.
This one was from like mid Artist Alley, like more towards the back.
I know like 3
But they're also nice.
I've only heard
Thank
of
you.
them, but
Where's my
I like filming like
That's okay, take whatever you want.